Right, we're back doing my first voiceover ever. So bear with me. I don't like this so far, but this is what we're gonna do. So, welcome back to Moist and Modified, where today we are going to make, I think I named them whipped chocolate candy pistachio cupcakes. A mouthful. So are they. Let's get started. So first you're going to need these pistachio cups. Bear brought them in to me. This was actually his idea. He requested these cupcakes. So he did the base and I figured out the rest of them. So you're going to start off with these. You're going to add these to the bottom of your cupcake liners at the end before you put your filling in. So buy those, I guess. We are going to start off with some basic chocolate box cake mix. You can get whatever kind you want. I always get this kind just because it's normally on sale and cheap. So we're going to start off with it. We are going to add 1 package of chocolate pudding mix to it too. So, like we've done before, you're going to replace the water with milk. We're going to keep the oil. We're going to add an extra egg. And we're even going to do a squirt or 2 of sour cream along with, I don't know, 3 or 4 teaspoons of coffee that's room temperature. You don't want it to be hot. And now we are just going to add them all together. Oh, I filled that up a little much. It's fine. So, after we mix everything together, look at that. Mix, 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 mix. Try not to make a mess. The less mess you make, the less you have to clean up. Friendly tip. And we're mixing. Mix, 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 mix. All right, so we are going to start adding the pistachio cups, is what I'm calling them, to the cupcake liners. You're going to put them in the bottom, and then you're going to add about a ice cream scoop of batter onto each of them. Here's me making a mess. Oh, chocolate, 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 chocolate. And you're going to follow the baking directions, kinda. So you're going to bake at the 350 that it recommends, but you're probably going to add about 4 minutes onto the time of what it says the cupcakes are for. So like, I believe on this box, it said, I want to say like 15 minutes. I think I ended up baking them for like 18 to 19 minutes. So, once you have everything all set, you're going to pop those suckers in the oven. You're going to close the oven door and clean up your giant mess before starting on the frosting. I think I did like a cup and a half maybe of pistachios that have already been peeled. You can buy them in a bag at Hy-Vee or Price Chopper or I mean, even Walmart probably. So I just bought a bag and put them in a Ziploc baggie, and then I beat the living shit out of them. Now, if you don't want to beat the living shit, you can always use a food processor. However, I destroyed my food processor, and this honestly is great for aggression and anger. So, smash those pistachios on up. I guess I should go back and also say, though, that this frosting requires 3 cups. That's right, 3 cups of room temperature butter. So what I did is I went ahead and put those 3 cups of room temperature butter in my mixing stand, and I started on that while I was doing the pistachios. You're going to take your pistachios, you're going to put in about 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream and kind of mix that together. It's going to make like a green mush. It almost looks like moss, honestly, if you're familiar with moss. So, if it looks like that, you're doing it right. So you're going to mix that all together, and once that looks green and dingy and gross, you're going to add that into the butter and continue to stir. You're also going to add in about 2 teaspoons of vanilla. You know me, I do a little extra splash for a little lovey-dovey. And then you're also going to add in 3 cups of powdered sugar. Now, be careful with the powdered sugar. It is very easy to make a mess. Also, highly recommend not trying to double or to multitask while doing this. I clearly was trying to do this while making spaghetti dinner for 5, 6, for 6, however many people we have in our house. So, you're going to bake them. You're going to pull them out of the oven. You're going to let them cool off. And then you're going to add your frosting on top. I do about a scoop of frosting, like an ice cream scoop of frosting. You can probably even put it in a piping bag and pipe it that way. I didn't because I wasn't selling these. These are just for bear, you know what I mean? Like, they're just for somebody I know. So, after you do that, you're then going to take the leftover pistachios and you're going to sprinkle them on top. Crushed. You're going to crush them and sprinkle them on top. And then there you have it. You have a whipped chocolate candy pistachio cupcake that has an amazing light frosting. Look at the color. Look at that. It's so perfect for St. Patrick's Day. You guys, I'm dead serious. You have to try these. Huge hit. Huge hit. Highly recommend, especially if you like pistachios and chocolate. Love it.
All right, here we go. Pistachio Dubai bottomed chocolate cupcake. Oh, I'm getting jiggy with it. You can get a whole bite. Oh yeah. There's a little Dubai guy. Mm-hmm. All right, well, that was your custom-made cupcake order.
That's really fucking good.
Yeah, I like that.
This one's probably my favorite.
Is it?
Yeah.
Really?
Oh, yeah.
Over everything else?
Yeah. I'd say the banana nut muffins are second, but
That's it.
I'm going to say this one takes the cake.
That's our new number one.
I would even put this over the strawberry cake I had yesterday.
That's the new number one.
New number one.
All right. Say bomb.com.
Bomb.com. Well, October 23rd is my birthday. Just put it on your calendar now, okay?
Which confection do you want for your birthday?
At this point, I'm not even sure.
You haven't even tried the other thing yet.
I know. I haven't even tried the pistachio cupcakes, the new ones.
But that's up on the list right there. That strawberry cake.